Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today there is no flying with the radio controlled helicopters or the planes, but just a documentary for me or for you or for somebody else who is into the RC or radio controlled helicopter or airplane flying. Just documentation and as a memory, as every document in time. Ta-da! All my helicopters on one place, all of them, and I'm gonna start from here. This, oh, you woke up. How are you?
Good.
This is Ella, my granddaughter. She's 5 and she just woke up. Can you help me? Can you count how many helicopters I have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12.
Oh, I think you missed one. 10, 11. I have 11. I don't have 12. Maybe I will have a 12 if I have a place on the on the table. Oh, maybe I can squeeze this one here. Maybe I can have a place. Actually, I wish I have 12. Probably I'm gonna have 12. That's enough reason for me to buy another one, but not today. Okay, let's go back to here. I try to align them with the heads close to each other, so you can see the height difference. This is the oldest one, 2007 bought. Both of these T-Rex models. One is plastic and it's not built yet. Plastic parts, and the other one is built and flown so many times. And of course with the all aluminum parts. The next one, that's the biggest and heaviest. T-Rex 450L. That's okay, Ella, don't worry. And other guys are here. Deluxe came with this box here. Nah. Deluxe version of the GAUI. And you can just compare. Velecha means February 2021 and Ozriak means in Croatian, right? Means March. So basically these 9 babies were bought in the last 2-3 months, and these 2 biggest one and best one, not best, but just the biggest classic one, they were bought 14 years ago. Here is the cabins or canopies, right, Ella? Do you think it's a little bit too much of these guys? And some of my equipment, the batteries are downstairs, and the charger. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's go close look. This one is upgraded and it has a Raycon heli. You can tell here, but this sign here, aluminum, all green aluminum piece 4-piece blade. It's very nice. Another one is AH, so that's a CPM LBXL2 whatever. Actually, this one here. That's the original. And everything else is blade. Horizon Hobby. AH64 Apache.
Hi.
4-blade. Then upgraded to metal parts, the head and the main grip holders is this one, 130S. Then it goes to 180 CFX with metal parts tail, which is very nice flyer helicopter, and it's torque tube. Yeah, torque tube one. You can see here. And another one is the next one is 150S with upgraded 3 blades and heads. Does have brushless tail rotor and another torque tail rotor, exactly the same 180 CFX 3 blade with same upgraded rotor head. Original plastic but now metal, and these two are the same, guys. This one is kind of higher with the tail boom than the original one. That's the same guy, just this is with a, because it needs to fit in this thing here. I tried to fit it, but unfortunately I crushed it a couple of times. I had to rearrange it and make it better, so it's not ready yet. But anyway, that's the reason why it's basically higher on the on the tail boom. And that's a deluxe version of that one, just older. That's a 200 style GAUI. GAUI, align and blade, horizon blade.
Did you ever call names them? Did you name them?
Yeah, I did name them. This is a tail driven, not tail driven, a belt driven tail, I wanted to say. And yeah, this one too, same thing. And that's it. It's crazy, right? But that's a passion, right? I could have spent like probably close to $500 per piece. So 10 pieces, this is basically more than $5,000 here worth investment. But if you love something, and of course if you into it, then it's all good. It's all good. Can you show me how this one spins? Spin faster. Yeah, a little bit faster. Yeah. Nice. Good. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
Just one silent Überflug on German. Fly over from different sides and tails. Just additional information, and this is the special. This is my favorite, I must say. 3-blade 180 CFX with metal and torque driven. This guy too, same, just a 2-blade. These two are favorite because they are small. They like a T-Rex 450s, just in a small package. I love it. Just additional footage. Yeah. From different sides. Just comparison. Another back view from each helicopter, the view on the head, servos, and the tail assembly. This one of course is not done. No servos, nothing, but exactly same like this one, as I said, just the original tail height, tail boom, it's lower. And these two, this one is also not done. Still waiting. And that's about it.